This is Leila Torres from Origami Spirit, and today we are going to be folding this flapping bird. For this bird we need a piece of paper. In this case I have a 6 inches by 6 inches piece of paper, white on one side and color on the other side. If you want the bird to be colored, you start on the white side. We are going to fold in a half, border to border. Making sure that the borders align as best as we can. Open, rotate your paper and create the other fold in a half, bringing one border to the other. Now we have one raw edge and one folded edge. Bring half of that folded edge to this halfway mark, and we are going to create a fold that is diagonal. Make sure that this point is divided in a half well. And that these two edges match. We have this, turn over and repeat. Bring this border, folded border, to this, and this to the top border. Divide this angle in a half. Now we have this triangular shape. If we pick it up, it has two flaps, one flap, two flaps, and it has a central pocket. Insert your fingers, open that pocket and flatten it, squash it. Here we have a base that is called the preliminary base. From this base, many origami models can be made. We are going to continue to fold the bird, the flapping bird. We have this raw edge, we have this open edge, open area here, and this closed area. We placed the model or the base so that this open area is pointing at us, and this raw edge we are going to align with the center here, dividing this angle in a half. So we create a fold in about that place. Repeat on this side. Divide this angle in a half, bisect it. Turn over and repeat in the back. Now we're going to create a fold that connects this point with this point along here. We're going to fold to the front and to the back. Once we do both folds back and forth, we leave it open as this. Then unfold the flaps, open this big flap, and we are going to close these two flaps following the folds that are existing there. Turn it over, open the flaps, and repeat. Hold on those. And carefully close following folds that are already there. Now we have two long flaps. One of them will become the head and one will become the tail. Look and compare where we are going. Head, tail. For the head, we're going to create a fold that comes from the center somewhere in here by folding this up so that this border matches the one in the back. These two little areas match. Now we carefully open these two flaps here and swing this area that will be the neck and head up so that it follows the line of the fold that we just made. That way we have neck. For the head, insert your thumb and at any, it can be bigger or smaller, at any place you see you like it, insert your finger and push with your index down here and flatten. You form the head. Once again, for the tail, we are going to create a fold here by bringing this border up to align with this. Actually, dividing this angle in a half, bisecting it. And the same, unfold, and we reverse it so that it stays inside. Now the bird is finished. We can hold it from the neck, lower neck, hold it firmly, open or spread the wings a little bit to start the movement, and gently begin to pull. We have made the flapping bird.